everyone, welcome to my first vlog of the year. I have been requested to do more vlogs besides just during Vlogmas, so I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm going to incorporate more like lifestyle vlogs here. And I know I've been doing a lot of beauty and fashion videos, so this is just going to kind of be your little sneak into what I do on the daily. You guys can see my planner cart. The kitchen's back there. Don't mind that mess. But my planner and crafting cart is right here. If you want a video on that, let me know. But today I'm going to show you some of the groceries that I picked up for the week. I'm also going to show you my Valentine's Day haul. I know it's kind of early, but you can't ever be too early to stock up on Valentine's Day goodies because they always sell out. And we're gonna do some organize with me. So I hope you enjoy it. If you want more vlogs, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. For a grocery haul. I love seeing grocery hauls, but yeah, let's just jump into it. Before we get into that, I got this from my friend Natalie. She got this in Michigan. Her family's from Michigan. So if you are in Michigan and you've never tried the Sanders chocolate, this particular chocolate bar is delicious. It's the creamiest peanut butter chocolate bar I've ever had. So good. I also don't know if it's anywhere else. She's just from Michigan and we don't have this in Philadelphia. So let's get into the haul now. Okay, we have a bunch of our veggies here. We have Brussels sprouts, cucumbers, we have green, yellow, and red bell pepper, carrots, tomatoes. Then we have American cheese and turkey breast for sandwiches. We have a beef smoked sausage, chicken breast in there. Then we have some sleepy tea. This is the sleepy tea that my boyfriend and I drink at night. It helps so much if you wake up in the middle of the night sometimes. So we do this every night and it really helps. Moving back here, we have baby potatoes, like gold baby potatoes, limes, white onion, garlic, ginger. These we got the other day at Target. We didn't get this in this grocery round. This I did by myself. But when we were at Target, my boyfriend and I, we got these Kind bars, oats and honey. And then this one's my favorite, the dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. And then there's a caramel, almond, and sea salt one. Okay, moving on, we have lemons, gold potatoes, like the full potatoes. We have some pickles, hamburger dill pickles. And then here we have some Dunkin' coffee for my boyfriend because I don't drink coffee. And then he's been wanting to try a bunch of different like rice cake snacks. So I got him the buttered popcorn rice cakes. He usually gets the white cheddar, so this one was different. So I picked that up for him. And then I got him these to try, tangy barbecue. And then these are the Popcorners white cheddar flavored chips. And I think I have a few more things on the other side. These are like convenient type foods. Like if I just don't want to make dinner one night or if I'm having a bad day, this is like a little appetizer or a little side for us and like a little side of toast. So garlic toast and some mozzarella cheese sticks. And then this bread, I'm trying to cut back on the calories. But if you guys are looking for a bread that's a little bit better in macros, only 40 calories per slice, 7 grams of fiber, 6 grams of carbs. But yeah, the 647 brand, they have a bunch of different kinds. I've tried Italian, I've tried the potato, there's a wheat one, tons of them. And then these, I found these at Aldi. I love these. So Aldi, I think, I don't know, last year sometime had these for sale and then it was limited. So once they sold out, I couldn't find them anymore. They are the Bada Bean, Bada Boom. They are just like crunchy beans. Are they chickpeas? Oh, what kind of beans are they? Broad beans? I don't know. But 6 grams of protein. I love these. I think they're so good for a little crunchy snack instead of chips. So I stocked up this time. I got 3 of the sweet onion and mustard, which is my favorite because they taste like the pretzels, like the honey mustard pretzels or something like that. And then I got a sweet sriracha. So that's pretty. Hey guys, so I just got done filming some like reels and TikToks or whatever you want to call it. But I want to show you guys what I picked up from the Valentine's Day section at Target. mainly. And then I did get some things, I think at the grocery store. I don't really know. But on TikTok, I saw this girl putting together like Valentine's Day treat boxes for, I think she was doing it for her daughter. But I figured I could do some for my niece. So I got one for my niece, my boyfriend, and then I'll do some for my girlfriends as well. But I got these at the Dollar Tree, and they're just plastic containers. I'm gonna wash them, all of that. And I am going to fill them up. Well, I'm gonna decorate them, and I'm gonna fill them up with different Valentine's Day candy in each section. So you kind of get a little bit of everything. These are little organizer cases I found in the like office supplies section of the Dollar Tree. So if you guys want to do this activity, you definitely can. So I got these at the Dollar Tree. And then to decorate the outside of the containers, since they're just clear, I got these little felt sticker hearts. So you just peel off the back and you just stick them on. And I thought this would be really easy just to really decorate the outside of the container. And there's all different sizes. There's big ones, there's little ones down here in red, pink, and white. So I thought these would be perfect. And then the rest of this basket is candy. I did break into some of it already, but most of it is unopened. So of course I had to get some sort of M&Ms, and these are the Valentine's Day colors. These are the peanut butter M&Ms, one of my favorites, so delicious. Then I got some jelly beans in the Jewel Tone Valentine's mix, so these are really fun. And then of course I had to get the classic, I didn't get the conversation hearts, which are very popular for Valentine's Day, but I think they're gross. I think they taste like chalk. And yeah, I wanted to change it up. So I ended up just getting these love hearts. These are Smarties. And yeah, I don't think I got the conversation hearts because I don't like them. But I know my niece loves Smarties. So hopefully, yeah, these should have little sayings on them. So they're like kind of like the conversation hearts, but not. I got some pink Hershey Kisses. I can't talk today. I got 2 bags of these Swedish fish hearts. This was the candy that I saw the lady on TikTok. She was pouring this into her little container, and I was like, oh, Swedish fish has heart shapes. Like, yes, please. How adorable is that? But yeah, I got 2 of those. There's that. Of course, I had to get this. This is one of my friend's favorite candies. A few of my friends love Sour Patch Kids. So they have these Sour Patch Kids hearts. So again, this is going to be perfect for the little candy box. And then we had to get some gummies. So we have the Haribo Sweet and Sour hearts. So again, little red hearts in there. Some more Haribo. And these are just regular gummy bears. I don't know how I'm going to fit all this candy into those little boxes because there's so many different candies I bought. But if I can find bigger containers, I will. So I have to go to maybe Michael's and like Walmart or something. But I got these Jelly Belly Sour Pucker Lips, which I think are so much fun. How cute is that? Ah, I love it. I got some of the Tootsie Rolls because I feel like a little bit different, and I believe these are like individually wrapped and they're like Valentine's Day themed. I got some of these Welch's Juiceful Heart Throbs. So they're almost like Gushers, but like Welch's fruit snack version, and they're hearts. And then I got 1 ring pop for my niece. It's in the shape of a heart because she loves ring pops. I did get these. I broke into these already myself because I love caramel, but these are the milk chocolate caramels from Favorite Day, and they just have little Valentine's Day sprinkles on them. I got these because my brother loves these. I don't think I'm making a box for my brother, but I'll just give him this bag after I'm done using it. But it's the Hershey's, like the cookies and cream in the little heart versions. So cute. I got these, which I don't know why. I don't know how I'm going to divvy these up in a little candy box, but some sour strings. And then these I got, I don't know why, but they were cute, so I got them. So that's pretty much it. I know it was a bunch of candy, but again, I'm gonna make a few boxes for several people in my life. Maybe I will make one for my brother. I think he would like it. But I'm gonna make a bunch of them, and if you want a video on that, let me know. I can vlog that as well. Really quick, another thing I wanted to share with you guys is this planner that I picked up at Target. This was from the Tabitha Brown collection, and they sold out so fast, but I was able to get my hands on one because I ordered it for pickup. But it is a really good sized planner, and it was $5 for a year's planner, and it's undated, so you can start this planner whenever you want. But it has like pocket folders, dividers, you have monthly views here, and then the weekly views are vertical, which you don't see often. So again, it's blank, and yeah, I think this was really great for $5. You couldn't beat it. And I'm really sad that they like sold out so fast, because this would be such a great thing to have in different styles for $5. I don't know why Target doesn't do more of these $5 planners, but I love it. It's super cute. And if your Target still has the Tabitha Brown collection, definitely try to find this because it's a really good one. So I'm down in the kitchen, and I brought my ring light and my stand down because I want to do a clean with me or organize our snack drawer, because there's a lot of things that are old and expired in there, and we have new snacks that my boyfriend picked out for himself, and I just kind of want to organize it. So I'm going to vlog it. Let's go. All right, so this is our kind of snack drawer, but you guys can see there's a lot of stuff in here that's super random. It's pretty much where we kind of store our bread. That looks disgusting. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is coming out right now. Oh my gosh, it's literally all moldy. Okay, that's my boyfriend's bread. He clearly does not eat it, so that's leaving. These buns, they gotta go too, because I think we bought these the same time we bought the other ones. This here is my Lunar New Year, Vietnamese New Year candy. This is like little coconut strips, like dried coconut. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what we have. Some rice cakes. My boyfriend loves these. These flatbreads, best by the 13th, so that's gotta go. And then I have like this bag of sauces, like Chick-fil-A sauce, Taco Bell, and yeah, I don't know why that's in there, but it's in there. And then of course, this is like our actual candies here. Andes from Christmas. And then a lot of these are from Christmas too, just like random candies. I really should get, Twizzlers. I really should get organizing. This is like extra rice that we have, like white rice and rice papers. Oh, this is where I keep a lot of my Asian groceries as well. We have some ramen noodles here, my favorite, and then some red onion noodles. Okay, now that it's cleared, let's wipe it down. Okay, I sprayed my little paper towel, and I'm just going to do like a quick wipe. Again, like I said, I want to get like organizers for this, so then maybe we'll reorganize it again. But I knew that there was really old expired food in here, so I wanted to get it out. So let's kind of put everything back in, but also like sort of declutter. Like this bag of candy, these Peeps, we're never gonna eat these Peeps, so let's get rid of those. Oh, there's some sauces in here that should go in the sauce bag. My boyfriend thinks I'm crazy for having a sauce bag, but I have some Trader Joe's, like fruit snacks. These are just like random chocolates, so I think that's fine. I guess I'll put these in here because they're also chocolate. So I think that's all of like the candy chocolate stuff. Oh my gosh, actually, this can go in there. In here as well. Again, I kind of want to organize this better, but I guess for now that will do. I still think I'm gonna keep all of like my Asian things in the corner, like my rice paper and the noodles. because I don't reach for them that often. These ramens. Back here. All right. I guess that can go there. Oh, my little Asian snacks. Oh, overstock of rice. I need to find a better place for that. Okay. Then we have my boyfriend's, let's see, rice cakes. He also has these new, like, chips, which we have a whole other chip section. So maybe we have a different chip section. So maybe I'll put those in the chip section. Maybe I'll show you guys that one day. But he has these mini kind bars, so we can, will that close? No, it won't close. All right, I need to figure that out because there's that. And then he got this big box of the oats and honey. So we can do that. That one can stand. Okay, and then just the sauces? Is that it? Okay, maybe we do have enough room because we took out so much old bread, which is nice. So chocolates, bars, random sauces, and we have room to grow, which is great. I actually just realized I'm gonna throw in some of my snacks in here. 6 grams of protein in a snack, like a crunchy snack, is great. So those won't close. So maybe I'll lay those down as well. Okay, awesome. All right, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed organizing and decluttering this with me.